Hey there, ever been stuck trying to reconnect to Wi-Fi because you forgot the password? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 quick and easy methods to recover your Wi-Fi password on Android. Stay connected without the hassle. Let's dive in. Way 1. Recover Wi-Fi password from Android without root reset. Struggling to find your Wi-Fi password? If you've synced your phone with Google Drive, it's easy to recover. Use the Android Data Back app to get your password back. No extra steps or cables needed. How to recover Wi-Fi password on Android with no root using Android Data Back. Step 1. Install. Begin by installing and launching the Android Data Back software. On the main interface, choose the option labeled Recover Data from Google Drive. Step 2. Log in. Proceed to log into your Google account by clicking Sign In. Ensure that your account credentials are accurate, as this process is entirely secure. Step 3. Choose Subsequently. The software will present a list of all recoverable data types. Select Wi-Fi and then click Next, located in the lower right corner. Step 4. Scan. The application will initiate a scan of the data stored in Google. Kindly remain patient while the scanning process is underway. Step 5. Recover. Upon completion of the scan, the recovered data will be displayed. Review the Wi-Fi information to identify the specific details. Finally, select either the Recover to Device or Recover to PC option, based on your preference. Way 2. Recover Wi-Fi password on Android from settings. Android 10 or up. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Network and Internet. Select Internet. Find your Wi-Fi network. Tap the gear icon. Click Share with QR code. Confirm with your unlock code. Scan QR code or copy password. Way 3. Hover Android Wi-Fi password without root via router settings. Open Device Wi-Fi settings. Check connected Wi-Fi for IP, for example, 192.168.1.1. Enter IP in browser. Log in with router credentials off in admin. Locate password in router Wi-Fi settings. Way 4. Recover Wi-Fi password from Android phone using ADB commands. Complicated. Install SDK and ADB. Enable developer mode. USB debugging. Run ADB devices. Backup with ADB. Move files to backup folder. Unpack backup using Java. Find password in data file. Way 5. Recover Wi-Fi password on Android with Google Lens. Open Google Lens on your Android. Scan the QR code with the camera or select from gallery. Tap Join the network to connect.